Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I will be showing you how you can set a reminder in Notion via email. This is very useful if you have deadlines, meetings, or something related. So be sure to watch till the end. So I have here due date and reminder time. Let's adjust the due date first. So let's see 18. This one is 19, July 19. This one is July 20. Once you're done, let's set the reminder time. So let's click this. Make sure that if you're setting up your reminder time, it's before the due date. So let's see. July 18, let's set the time. Let's put here 7:46 p.m. You can also set it up for minutes or days before. It's up to you. So let's set it up maybe 5 minutes before. And we're done. Then let's check the email. And there you go. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Notion tips and hacks. See you in my next video.